Right now, the real estate sentiment score is at plus 0.34, a significant uptick compared to the historical baseline. This spike suggests a strong positive shift in sentiment, especially with momentum at plus 0.33 and 20 semantic clusters highlighting diverse positive themes. When you tap into our API, you get comprehensive insights that include sentiment scores, momentum, and clustered topics, all in one response. This is particularly useful if you're developing predictive models to assess property values or market trends. Imagine using this data to identify emerging neighborhoods before they become hotspots, enabling you to make strategic investment decisions. For detailed implementation and to unleash the full potential of our API, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.